Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you today two ways of adding a thick horizontal line within a Google Doc. So let's get into it. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to help us reach 2,000 subscribers, you can go ahead and hit that sub button and show your support. Let's get into the video. As you can see, I would like to insert this thick line right over here. What we want to do is go up to Format, and we are going to look for paragraph styles, and here we'll look for borders and shading. So this is the first version. Okay, so you can now choose a position. So let us choose this one over here, and we can choose the border width. Let us choose 3 points. The dash we're going to leave as is, and we can change the color. We can now also change the background color, but we're going to leave it as is, and the paragraph padding we'll leave at 2 points. We'll click on apply, and here it is. Now you can go ahead and type, and you will have a box or a guide to type in. Another way of doing this is by going up to insert, going to drawing, going to new, and right over here to draw an actual line. Now this will give you a little bit more control. So let's go ahead, we're going to draw our line, and straight from here we're going to go save and close. Now this will save the drawing as an object, and if you click on it, you will have some options. So you can edit it, and you can align it. So let's align it behind the text, and we want to say move with text. We want to make sure that this is fixed position on page. Now, if you go ahead and you right click on it, or you use these three dots over here, we want to click the size and rotation. Okay, and right here, you'll have the image options, and under size and rotation, we want to change the height. And here you can change the height. You can also change the width of it. You can also change the rotation and customize it to your specific needs. Now, if this video was helpful, you can go ahead and explore more Google Docs tutorials, tips and tricks, and we'll see you in another awesome video.